Okay, afternoon. I hope everyone is excited. I think most of the speakers, they have set the stage for me to speak about AI and robotics and how we're doing it in Empire Partner Foundation. So, and I prepared a presentation to explain. I won't take the lecturer, so that's why I've prepared a presentation such things. So, Empire Partner Foundation is based in Santin, the 5-acre zone in Ilovo. That's where we are all trying to be a seafood valley of South Africa. I'll show you what I mean by seafood valley of South Africa. This is a story of how we started 2016, and from there we've made some impacts, and I'll present to you the impact that we've made and how we can see on the slide. So from 2016, as is the second, we've incubated a lot of startups each and every year. As you can see, from 2016, we started with the Empire Partner Foundation. There's TDM. I'm sure you've seen some cards outside that are talking about TDM. And we have Avitech, which is like an app that helps with TBV. We have Good People, which is helping us with, if you give me your ID, I'm able to give you $7,000 coins about yourself, and I can tell you what you want to buy in the next 2 years, 3 years, right? Yeah, that's the AI for you. Then moving forward, we have PayPoint. So PayPoint is one of the biggest in ETF checkout. It's pioneering the payments devices in South Africa. So basically, we are making township connected to technology. So we have over 50,000 devices in townships, and we are connected to the apps switch. So basically, we are pioneering the payments there. Then we've also, and this is our first word, we've also have where I'm mostly involved, I'm mostly in Good People. That's why I know that I can predict your lifestyle. Then there's also with people like reacting. That's one. That's using AI to pioneer ESG, which we've been talking about sustainability goals, right? That one is actually doing that part. Then we've also employed AI. I heard the speaker was talking about, the director was talking about if employers cares about their employers, about their employees, if they're upskilling, right? At Empire Partner Foundation, we've done more than that. So we use the AI. We've trained over 120 interns in over 2 years, and in Africa we've trained over 7,000. And this year we're running 700 interns that are currently running on Poker AI. We are training them in education in terms of robotics, programming, VR, and this is done in real life. Because all those companies in that timeline, they are all live in the market. So for those interns, for anyone that is in the budget that's looking for internship, please look at the Partner Foundation. We always advertise the internships in terms of robotics in live environments, and please come and join us and enjoy what you're doing. I'll show you what other interns are doing and other graduates from our internships are doing at the Partner Foundation currently, the platforms that they're building that are doing AI. So, basically, I'm the CEO of Richfield Campus. I have over 80 engineers across the country. So basically, everyone has been speaking about AI. So I'm going to tell you how we do it and how I think everyone here that's doing AI should try to look at AI and how they should approach it. So first, is here to other speakers. They're saying AI starts from data, right? We look at the data. You come as a customer, you come as a government. I'm here to play my office here today. We look and say, okay, what is the data telling us about you, about the organization? Then we try to show you what it is telling you, and we do what you call an AI opportunity. So what does the AI opportunity mean, right? with many things that we do in AI opportunities, which is it might be robotics, it might be normal software, it might be IoT, it might be improvement of process. From your data, we analyze it, then you produce something that can help your organization. So, as now Innovation Campus, we don't do sporty that works. We try and do a different type of robotics. So, I'm gonna go through all kinds of robotics, but I just want you to get attention to the robots, this type of robots, the smart robots, right? So the smart robots, these are the robots that are coded to make decisions based on data, and that's what we're doing exactly in Innovation Campus using our platforms. So what we do in the Partner Foundation, we're a foundation that's more of platform-driven, right? We want to get inside through platforms, and we want to make sure that we drive technology in South Africa driven by you. So what are we doing with the smart robots? We have a platform called Boca AI, right? Boca AI, its main purpose is to see if you, as an employee, as a student, you're actually learning the skills that you're supposed to learn, right? So it does that either through manual, every normal assessments, but what we saw was for us to know that someone is learning something, can we use smart robots to assess if someone is actually doing what they're supposed to be doing? So if you give you, let's say, a task to code something, right? We'll see how do you respond to it, what is the emotions, and we learn from those emotions. That's what the AI does, and we use it for over 80 for interns, and currently they're part of the tech space of South Africa with earning over 600,000 per year, plus over 8 of them from the base of Boca AI that actually teach them how to become good programmers and actually still building this type of platform that's now span over 20 African countries through AI. Then also we like the environment. And one thing that we've seen is most companies or organizations, they want to have sustainable goals about the environment. So we also have a system called Probe Analytics, which helps you connect your data, analyze it, and visualize it. So what we're using it currently, we're using it for ReaTech, one of our companies, EPF Tech Hub. That mainly focuses on environmental goals. So basically they look at, okay, we want to reduce smoke in the city. How do we do that, right? We use the cameras that are programmed to say, if we implement goals to reduce smoke in the city, are we still detecting smoke in the city? In the system telling us how much smoke is being detected. So this has been used in Northwest where they're building renewable energy solar panels. Then we have seen that with those solar panels being there, we're reducing heat that's being produced by them around the community. And we're implementing innovations. If these cameras are filling us with data to say, okay, I think we're improving in terms of that. So that's what we call smart robotic cameras that are being implemented currently in Data Partner Foundation. So, how can we expand and how can Data Partner Foundation help in terms of like the South African community and is already doing it? So, we see ourselves expanding also into health, right? Into understanding in terms of sustainability. If let's say there's issues in water being dealt, right, in the city implement some city authorities, are those strategies being done and are those being implemented if we put smart IoT devices in pipes, in water tanks, and detect if there's still viruses and if there's still dirty water in the inlet. Also, as you see, we're pioneering stable education. What we've built, I would like to introduce some of my people that work with. So Rosan, what that's sitting there, is actually a technical lead at the Data Partner Foundation, just 29 years old, and she's building a platform for property management, which much focus on property analytics, but she's there monitoring how the property industry is managing the environment. Let's say we are in Sunny City currently, we are monitoring how they are managing their waste and if the stores are actually doing the waste. Let's take a friend. Then we also have Tana, which is our business analyst, also about train this Boca AI. She's part of the program also where she's working with Rosan to make sure that our property managers are actually managing waste properly and not dumping the waste in the city. As you can see downtown, There's so much waste. That's what we're trying to monitor to say, if the government implement policies from waste to recycle, I'm actually doing it. I'm actually reporting that so that we have smart implementation of laws if people are not violating those laws and dumping waste into the water, dumping waste in the city. That's going to make our sectors actually cleaner. So we invite you to partner with us in this journey, whereby we're actually building this platform using local tech talent, and we're actually implementing this to your South African society. Also, in this journey, as ETF, we are already very equipped to help in terms of that. To help organization in terms of training, reskilling employees to be able to compete in terms of what's happening now, where robotics is there, and now with solar AI, which is now generating music, generating videos. Now in the world with GGT, that's actually now writing essays. So what are we doing currently? Using our platforms, we're actually helping other organizations upskill. And I invite all of you to actually come and join us in upskill in terms of robotics and AI. Is manage all these things. As I've shown to you today that we are actually doing it. It's also done in South Africa. All we need is put our heads together and grow and actually build our tech ecosystem as South Africans and as Africans, not buying tech out of America. Let's build our own. But I thank you.